Click on the link below to get price. The inland 8TB Performance Plus NVMe internal gaming SSD is a remarkable storage solution that caters to gamers and professionals alike who demand speed and efficiency. Right out of the box, you can appreciate its sleek design, which integrates seamlessly into any modern gaming rig or workstation. Installation is straightforward. The M2 form factor fits most motherboards, and the drive is compatible with both PCIe 3.0 and 4.0 interfaces. This versatility is a significant advantage, as it allows users to maximize performance based on their existing hardware. During installation, the drive's thermal management features are evident. Equipped with a durable heatsink, it effectively dissipates heat, ensuring consistent performance even during intense gaming sessions. Performance-wise, the inland 8TB SSD shines with impressive read speeds up to 3,400 MB per second and write speeds reaching 3,000 MB per second. This ensures that game load times are drastically reduced, making the gameplay experience smoother and more enjoyable. Transferring large files, such as high-definition video or expansive game libraries, is a breeze. The 8TB capacity is particularly noteworthy. It provides ample space for an extensive collection of games, applications, and media without the constant worry of running out of storage. The durability of this SSD is commendable, as it's built to withstand the rigors of daily use. With a lifespan of up to 1.5 million hours MTBF, mean time between failures, users can trust that their data is secure. Additionally, the drive supports advanced features such as SCM-RT monitoring and trim, which help optimize performance and prolong its life. In conclusion, the inland 8TB Performance Plus NVMe internal gaming SSD offers an exceptional blend of speed, capacity, and reliability. Whether you are a hardcore gamer or a creative professional, this SSD is a worthy investment, providing both performance and peace of mind for your storage needs. Highly recommended for those looking to elevate their gaming experience or enhance workflow efficiency.